Problems involving quadratic function. Let's look at a sample exam question. Dawood kicked a ball. The height of the ball, h meters, from the ground after t seconds was represented by h equals negative 2t squared plus 8t. Prove that the ball fell to the ground exactly 4 seconds after it was kicked. This is a 3-mark question. The variable t in the equation has a power of 2. That shows that the movement of the ball is a parabola. It's not hard to picture it. Dawood kicked the ball from the ground. The ball reached a certain height and fell to the ground. The ground is at 0 height. This means the parabola touches the horizontal axis at 2 points. When the vertical axis represents the height, the horizontal axis represents the time. To prove that the ball fell to the ground exactly 4 seconds after it was kicked, we have to find out whether the parabola touches the horizontal axis at 4. How do we do it? Let's rewrite the equation. When the ball touches the ground, h is 0. To determine t, factorize the expression on the right. So, we get the time for the original position and the time for the final position of the ball. It is proved that the ball fell to the ground exactly 4 seconds after it was kicked. It's that easy. Just be careful in your workings. Don't skip the important steps, or else you will lose marks.